Hello, I'm Crafter Wong. Welcome to this episode of Craft Along with Crafter Wong. In this episode, I'm making Gallade. Before I begin, I just want to thank you for 300 subscribers. I know it sounds very cliche, but I greatly appreciate it. And it's kind of, you don't realize how hard it is to get 300 subscribers in a very, very small niche until it's actually done. So I thank you all for coming along for the ride, and I hope you stick around for more videos. With that out of the way, I just have to say that Gallade, I just prefer Gallade over Gardevoir because it has weapons as arms, and I just prefer Pokemon with weapons as like body parts, so like Bisharp and Scizor and Magmortar. I think they're pretty cool. Anyways, regarding the model, this took me about an hour and a half to build, and unlike the last few videos, I'm not going to go through step by step on how to make them, as Gallade's head is very similar to Gardevoir, and the other pieces of the body are very, very straightforward to make. I will mention how to attach the saucer and legs to the body, as it is a little bit different than how you typically would attach pieces in a Papercraft model. With that out of the way, if you want to build this model with me, you can download the templates in the first link in the description. Since you're there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Do you prefer Gallade or Gardevoir? They're not bad evolutions, I just want to see what you say. Alrighty now, let's begin building. When attaching the saucer legs part, when you would get to this piece right here, you want to fold in this section here and this section here so that all of these tabs are on the same plane. Once that's done, you will attach the saucer to the body and then attach the legs to the other side of the saucer. Not too much difficult, but I think you would need a little bit of explanation on how to get this done. And that's the end of the video. I want to thank you again for taking the time out of your day to watch my video, and I want to thank you also for getting to 300 subscribers. I will reiterate again, I know it sounds very cliche, but I'm greatly appreciated for all 300 of you, as I'm in a small niche, and I didn't expect to get as many subscribers. Again, if you want to make Gardevoir, holy crap, Gallade, you can download the templates in the first link in the description. Since you're there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you prefer Gardevoir or Gallade. And until next time, bye-bye.